stayed true to the original, even though they skipped still many explicit words. He kept the police line. And then Eminem also, during the same performance, and apparently he was also asked not to do this by the NFL. Again, apparently, allegedly, who knows? But apparently he was asked not to kneel. And of course, him kneeling is a reference to Colin Kaepernick. It's a reference to the national anthem and players having kneeled in the past. So it was like, I guess, an homage to that, taking the knee. However, apparently he was asked not to do it. He still did it anyways. And then interestingly, I don't believe any players actually did it. Well, granted, they would have had to do it before the game started. He did it at the halftime show. Taking a knee has been the subject of controversy ever since 2016. Colin Kaepernick on the 49ers chose to do it. However, despite backlash from some corners, it's since been adopted by athletes across the world. Eminem, despite reportedly being told he wasn't allowed to take the knee while performing, decided to do it anyway. It was a moment, I got to be honest with you, Will. I was watching this and it didn't even register to me. I thought he was kind of getting out of the way because Dre was moving over to the piano. Did you watch it live?
Oh, yeah.
Did it stand out to you? Did you notice his gesture that he was sending this message? I'm just curious.
Not at all. Not at all.
Because 2016 is just like I was saying, it's a long time ago.
I was like rocking. I was having a great time.
I'm sure.
I did not notice
I'm
this at all.
sure some people picked it up, but my eyes here, because Dre was moving to the piano, I was like, oh, damn, Dre's going to play the piano. And I totally missed what Eminem had done there. And maybe it's also because he covered his head like that. Like he put his hand on his forehead and knelt down. But either way, it skipped past me. And all my focus was on Dre tickling the piano over there.